Hindi ito sa akin. This is not mine. Salamat sa hapunan. Thanks for the dinner. Umupo siya sa tabi ko. He sat beside me. Hindi ako takot sa'yo. I'm not afraid of you. Sino ang kinakausap mo? Who are you talking to? Lumapit siya sa akin. He approached me. Naniniwala ka ba? Do you believe? Sino ang tumulong sa'yo? Who helped you? Ganito kami palagi rito. We are always like this here. Hindi siya makakapunta. He can't come. May kumakalat na chismis tungkol sa'yo. There's a rumor spreading about you. Bitawan mo ang braso ko. Let go my arm. Mauna ka na maglakad. Walk ahead of me. Naubusan ako ng pera. I'm short of money. Naubusan tayo ng pagkain. We ran out of food. Umuwas ka rito. You keep out of this. Lahat kami ay natahimik. All of us were silent. Marami siyang pera. He has a lot of money. Nakakapagod ang trabaho ko. My job is tiring. Hindi mo na problema iyon. It's not your problem. Pinagtatawanan ka nila. They make fun of you. Lahat sila pumunta roon. All of them went there. Pagod na akong marinig yan. I'm tired of hearing that. Nangangailangan siya ng tulong. He is in need of help. Marami tayong oras. We have plenty of time. Gusto ko na yang tanggalin. I want to get rid of it. Kaibigan mo ba siya? Is she a friend of yours? Larawan ko ba yan? Is that a picture of me? Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Take care of yourself. Ang daming pera. There's a lot of money. Ang lakas ng loob mo. You have a lot of nerve. Lahat sila ay taga rito. They are all from here. Huwag mo akong pagtawanan. Don't make fun of me. Wala akong nagustuhan sa mga iyan. I don't like any of them. Isa sa atin ang dapat umalis. One of us should leave. Pinag-iisipan ko na iyan. I'm already thinking of it. Anong klaseng pagkain ba ito? What kind of food is this? Lahat ng kaibigan ko ayaw sa'yo. All of my friends don't like you. Hindi siya sigurado dyan. He is not sure about that. Pansinin mo muna ako. Notice me first. Hindi ko nga rin alam. I don't know either. Tingnan natin kung may magagawa ko. Let's see if I can do something. Dumating ako ng mas maaga. I came earlier. Hindi siya mawala sa isipan ko. I can't get her out of my mind. Sinayang mo lang ang pagkakataon. You just wasted the opportunity. Hindi ako ligtas dito. I am not safe here. Pag-iisipan ko muna. I will think about it. Walang makakapigil sa akin. No one can stop me.